That's right, Aisha. So, hey, Atlanta, you guys are talking and we are listening. And this time it's about a bill the Georgia Senate is set to vote on that will allow public high schools to teach electives on the Old and New Testaments of the Bible. Hundreds of you weighed in on this one on our 11 Alive Facebook page. So the author of the bill, Senator Jeff Mullis, is out of Northwest Georgia, says it's about giving schools options and flexibilities. But critics worry crafting a law around one certain religion violates standards of staying neutral in public schools. And you guys were mixed with your comments online here. I want to go to the first one here. Here we go. All right, from Lenore, who says, what about the Quran and the Torah? It's cool. It just has to be inclusive. So she wants to see other religions included in this conversation. And then we have one from Jennifer who says, I don't want just anyone teaching my child the Bible. Why I choose what church we attend. A lot of people agreeing with Jennifer on this one on our Facebook page. And Cynthia says, God needs to be put back into schools.